Hello my friends, and welcome to MB Shoedoc Review Series, where we will explore the world of quality shoes for men. We will cover general shoe care and knowledge, review the brands you love, and introduce you to brands that you've never heard of. So get yourself ready, and let's dive right into today's unboxing video. Alright, got a new unboxing for you today. K.M.P.T shoes. So the maker of this brand used to work for Footwear. So I've done a few unboxings of theirs. This guy was a shoemaker for them. You know, I don't know the details on what happened there, but you know, now he's doing his own thing. He's got his own brand. So it looks like these come with a nice shoe bag with a real leather patch here. Now I'll point out that it looks like it's only included one shoe bag. Now anytime I'm doing a review pair like this, I don't know for sure if they normally include multiple shoe bags or if they always only include one, but I only have one here. Ooh, very nice. So this is a black Chelsea boot. Let's get the other one out. More of a chisel toe or soft square toe shape on these. Not a spade sole, but definitely a little bit of a flare on this outside edge to the sole, which is kind of nice. Adds a little bit more dynamic look to them. I thought these were Goodyear welted. I know that this shoemaker does make Goodyear welted, but this does appear to be Blake stitch. So how can I tell, one, how far in the stitching is? That does not line up with this edge here, and just the spacing, it's wider, and that's the sort of thing you usually find with Blake stitch shoes. Looking at these uppers, we got a double row of stitching here, really tight stitching on the upper part here. And just kind of looking them over, you know, little minor little scuffs and things just from shipping, but not really seeing any kind of flaws or anything like that in the leather. Looks really nice. That is a true stacked leather heel. Nice rubber sole on them. That should last forever. Yeah, really quite beautiful shoes here. Well, I'll tell you what, at this point, they already came with a pretty nice shine, but we can get them looking just a little bit better. So we're going to touch up that shine, especially with that little scuffing from shipping, and they will look even better. So I'm going to take this black Carmina wax. Normally I'll apply a number of layers by hand, but these have, again, quite a nice hand polishing out of the box, so don't really think that's necessary. So we're just going to get a little bit of wax here, a little drop of water, and we'll just buff these around a little, and I think we'll have a mirror shine in no time at all. Alright, so here we are, shined up, ready to rock. I did confirm with the manufacturer that these are Blake stitched. The leather upper is from Annonay, so it's a full grain Vigano leather. And these are priced at $110 US, which is incredible. So an absolute steal of a value here. I can't think of anything priced anywhere close to this range with this much detail on the construction, this nice of a last shape with the rubber sole. I mean, that is unheard of value. Now I don't know what their Goodyear welted pricing will be, but $110 for these Blake stitch just knocks everything else out of the water. So unbelievable. K.M.P.T, absolutely a brand you need to check out, and I'm going to have these on the feet real soon. See you on the next one.